eating later. Ayan, so dumating na po yung aming balikbayang box. So, isa yun sa akin, isa sa mga tito ko. Ayan, so kinuha ko is jumbo lang. As you can see, sa baba, nakalagay jumbo. Hey guys! So, I'm currently taking this video to show you guys some stuff that I bought. Sa supermarket kanina, unti-unti ko na pinupuno yung aking kahon, yung aking balikbayang box. So, ito yung mga iba kong nabili today sa supermarket. Meron kasi ngayon parang 20% na sale sa whole grocery mo. And this one hindi to counted kasi kay Leo to. Then I bought Nesquik. This is so big. Then I bought some charot. Kala ko coffee. Tuna. So iba kasi yung tuna dito sa Italy. I don't know if ganun rin yung naiisip nyo if you're from Italy, but iba talaga yung tuna dito compare sa Philippines, no offense. And then I also bought coffee. So ito yung coffee. So parang gagawin ko sa hahatiin ko na lang. Ayan. Coffee. Then I bought some parang mga cookies. Ayan. So sobrang sarap to. Lalo na itong tak na to. And this one also. I will buy more, but for now, ito lang ang nakaya ko kasi mag-isa lang ako. Mga chocolate ako dito. Ayan, marami kong nabili. Ayan, so dito din. So, ito lang naman so far. We're matching our pajamas tonight. So, sinuot namin to nung Christmas. As you can see, it says Merry Christmas dito sa baba. We're matching! Caught the act. Hello, everyone. So, today, it's a Thursday and it's currently 6 a.m. in the morning and I'm on my way to work. So, hindi ako nakakapag-vlog ng maayos, guys. Like, hindi ako nakakapag-vlog ng diretsong vlog. Pag hindi na ako masyado busy, tatry ko ulit mag-vlog ng diretso. So, ayun. So, this is a random video. I just wanna quickly share with you guys the things that I got. Got this lip gloss from Kiko. So, this lip liner. Also, this mascara. Kasi wala akong nabiling mascara. Like, wala akong ginagamit. Sila yung eyelash curler ko. So, I bought one. Hey guys! So, I just wanna quickly share with you. Ta-da! So, this one is something that I bought from Wycon Cosmetics. And Wycon Cosmetics is like a Italian makeup brand. So, yun. The other day, I bought, you probably saw this already. But this one, I bought this. This is their mineral blush. Grabe guys! Sobrang ganda talaga nung nakita ko. And I fell in love. Ta-da! Grabe yung ganda niya. Super, guys. So, parang, magkasama ng highlighter and blush. I love it. Wait lang. Ikot-ikot. So, I'm just buying the things that I need for my package that I have to bring in the Philippines. Grocery series. The things that I will put in my package. Guys, I finally found the white chocolate mocha. And So guys, ang nabili ko is a Zara. Ay, isang damit sa Zara. A bag from Guess. And Dior and Calvin Klein for my boyfriend. So, ito. And now, I'm currently walking here sa Pitzel Papala. I'm so tired na. Hinabot na ako ng 3. Just got home. Just wanna quickly share with you guys the things that I got today. So, this was like unplanned na shopping ko. But, I'm happy. And today, it's exactly January 26th. And I don't know when you will be watching this vlog. But, yeah. Anyway, I got 3 items. Sobrang saya ko. So, the first thing that I'm gonna show you guys is this one is the very first thing that I bought today. And it's from Zara. So, hindi ko talaga plano bumili sa Zara today. But, I just saw this. And, sale kasi ngayon. Sale season. And, sobrang ganda nito. Look at this denim top. I bought it like for still price talaga siya. Wait. Ayan o. Probably you won't appreciate this like this. But, nung sinukat ko siya, ang ganda niya and bet ko siya. So, the original price, I don't even know ano yung original price niya. But, 2 beses siya natakpan. So, yung nakalagay dito is $29.95 and naging $7.95 na lang. Still price siya, guys. Still price. So, I got it. Then, the second thing that I got is this one. So, this is a bag from Guess. So, ito talaga, like 2 weeks ago ko pa siya nakita, but I wasn't planning. Like, pinag-iisipan ko pa kung bibilhin ko siya. But, ang nangyari kasi, sabi ko is, pag umalik ako dito, since sale nga and ubusan, sabi ko talaga, kapag nakita ko pa to doon na naka-display, ibig sabihin para sa akin, kasi 2 weeks ago na siya eh. So, syempre, marami na nakapunta doon. Lalo na sa sentro siya ng Rome. So, marami talagang tourists doon, di ba? So, talagang may chance na mabili siya. But guess what? Last na lang siya. And, binili ko na siya. Na love at first sight ako sa bag na to. It's from Guess. I'm just gonna put, ayoko siya buksan pa kasi ano ko siya. I'm planning to use this in the Philippines. Still price din siya kasi this was for like 150 euro and naging 57 euro na lang siya. So, guys, di ba? Dalawang kulay niya, but I chose the pink one. Ito pa, excited ako. Hindi na ako kumuha ng paper bag, but I went to Sephora, and I bought another blush, liquid blush from Rare Beauty. Ayan. So, this is in the shade Hope. Yung aking gamit this past few months, yun yung Courage? Yeah, yun yung gamit ko. And this one caught my attention again. Actually, ito talaga yung plano kong bilhin before. But, ang nangyari kasi is, hindi siya available. So, yung isa yung nabili kong shade. And now, nag-stock ulit sila. So, binili ko na. Then, last paper bag is from Naima. I don't know how to pronounce it. But, this store, I don't know if, parang walang, may ganito ba sa Philippines? Hindi ko sure. Ang alam ko lang kasi, walang Sephora o Douglas sa Philippines, di ko sure. But anyway, ito. So, ito sa store na to, they sell high-end makeup, mga perfumes, ganun. And I just got this one for my boyfriend, this Dior. Yan. I also got him this CK. So, that's it for this haul. So guys, we are currently here. Yung mga so far na order namin, ay wala siyang picture. But all you can eat to, so we can order anything. Guys, craving satisfied. Sashimi.
Yun na. Nakasuot ang pangalan.
Yes, naandar.
Ito mas malaki ang gaya.
Hindi. Nakapal
Iba,
na gaya. Saka guys, parang mas masarap. Parang fresh eh. Fresh ka fresh. Compare sa iba na kainan namin.
Forse perché ci abbiamo fame.
It's good. This is so good. May pausok ka tayo.
È la prima volta o già l'avevi visto?
Sobrang daming tao, so feeling ko mabagal yung serving dahil doon.
Baka kaunti lang kaya massimo 3 pezzi. Suwilo.
So now, I'm gonna eat this. Ay, wala salsa agrodol. Ikot na. Salsa agrodol.
È più buono il gambero.
Ano ba to? Ravioli. Dumpling. Oo, man. Pacha mo siya. Mas gusto kong dumplings with sweet and sour.
Ah, yun sa chopstick.
Saan kayo? How?
Però per me i gamberi sono più buoni questi. Più buoni, vedi? Sono diversi. Kaya pala massimo 3 pezzi.
Baka nga, ano?
Forse perché costano di più. Non so come perché era preso questi normali senza questi.
Hi guys! So, kakain kami ng sushi kasama ko si ate. And ngayon lang natuloy, after 2 months, ngayon lang natuloy yung aming sushi date.
Suwa? Suwa?
Ano?
Konnichiwa?
Oo.
Ang baduy.
So, finally, say hi to the vlog! Bad trip na naman po siya, guys. Everyday bad trip. Any, ano? So, guys, katatapos lang katatapos lang po namin kumain. Ayan. And now we're gonna eat ice cream! Ice cream! Ice cream! So, katatapos ko lang mag-ice cream and naisipan ko tumaan since malapit naman sa Vatican. So, here it is. Grabe. Alam niyo yun guys, parang maraming pumapangarap pumunta dito, makarating dito. Tapos ako, lapit-lapit ko lang here. Wow. We're going to the mall. Where we're going, Masha? With Leo.
With Leo na naglalaway na. Sa kurba talaga hindi niya kinakaya. Sali na. Wala nang kurba.
Mahiluhin po siya.
Day, sali.
Ikot naman siya, Masha.
Sali, so. Bravo daw. Sali. Hindi. Ginanong ko naman, Oh, sama sa picture.
Ay, lintik ka. Umihi pala.
Saan na?
Shopping kami. Kasama sila.
Nabasa yung kotse. Nakakahiya.
Come on! Masha! Asan? Kinoko. Kinoko ko. Now we're going to Terranova. Terranova. Okay. at Burger King because it's Tita's birthday. Yeah. What? Go. Okay, go there. Talk to me. Another one?
Hi.
Hi, Masha. Can you hear me?
Yes.
You wanna go there? Okay, we're gonna eat now. Come, let's go first here.